If you travel often, you know the struggle. Airport security lines, cramped overhead bins, and keeping wet clothes away from clean ones. Today we're looking at the Tolaccea travel backpack. It's a TSA Ready, flight-approved carry-on that claims to solve all those headaches. First up, this thing is TSA Ready. The tech-dedicated compartment opens a full 90 degrees to 180 degrees, so you can breeze through security without pulling out your laptop or tablet. There is padded storage for laptops up to 17.3 inches, plus a separate slot for tablets up to 12.9 inches. And with dual lockable SBS number 7 zippers, your tech stays safe from bumps and sticky fingers. One of my favorite features is the 8-liter wet-dry compartment on top. You can toss in your gym clothes, swimsuit, or anything damp, and it won't touch the rest of your gear. Plus, with the bag being able to expand from 40 to 45 liters, this is ideal for 3 to 5 day trips, while also keeping everything neatly organized. And while being on the move, the top zipper gives you quick access to the main compartment. This way you're not digging around when you need something. There's also a front pocket for grab-and-go essentials, a hidden zipper for smaller items, and a massive side pocket that can fit a 1.2 liter water bottle, because staying hydrated should be easy. This backpack makes packing up simple because the main compartment opens flat. It's like a suitcase. There's even a removable base panel that turns the lower section into a waterproof space for dirty clothes. And yes, it even comes with a bonus toiletry bag for shoes, cosmetics, or anything else that you would like to keep separated. This way, everything has its place. And the build quality is solid. It feels top-notch, with water and scratch-resistant fabric, reinforced stitching, and hardware that feels premium. Comfort-wise, the breathable padded straps, cushion back, and chest buckle make it easy to carry all day. But you also have carrying options, top and side grab handles. Plus, there is a luggage pass-through, making it easy to stack up on other luggage. So if you want a bag that handles airports, weekend getaways, and daily commuting, the Tolaccea travel backpack ticks a lot of boxes. TSA friendly, organized, and built to last, this could be the only carry-on that you need. So if you're interested in taking a closer look at this Tolaccea backpack, we have all of our links and details located in the description. And if you found this review helpful, make sure to give it a like and let us know what your thoughts are, or if you have any questions in the comments. That will wrap it up for this one. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review.